unboxing table is coming out, which means we have something very interesting to unbox. This thing, while moving this, I just saw that this book is lying here. There's a service and a repair manual of the Street Twin. This is the old Street Twin, by the way. Charan gave me this book. Like literally there is so much of information in this book. If you have good knowledge of bikes, you can actually open the entire Street Twin and put it back. As you can see, this is definitely an Apple product, and that is the reason I'm super excited. And this is gonna complete my Apple ecosystem. अरे यार कैसे चिपका है यार इसको? It is like look at that. It's the iPad Pro. Finally, I've been putting this in the cart since the last 1 year almost. Since the time it's released, I don't know when it's got released, but at least 6 to 7 months. And recently, before going to Vizag, I was talking a lot about this, and then Dad heard me and he ordered this for me. Oh, you see this beautiful unboxing mechanism? Just close it and goes in, and it comes out. The brand new iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Okay, to quickly read what's behind it, it's a 256 GB iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th generation Wi-Fi. I didn't want the cellular because I'll not be carrying this and making calls. I have my phone for that. And in front you can see the beautiful iPad replica or whatever the print, and it's gonna be exactly this size. There is my brand new iPad Pro 256 GB Wi-Fi, and this also sounds like that Seltos here. Wow. I mean, just wow, man. This feels so good in my hand. I know I'm an Apple fanboy, but then you have to hold this. Yeah, this feels like a proper slate, but definitely a super expensive slate. It's got LiDAR and all that. I'll be talking about all that technology later. Nice, beautiful. A big Apple logo behind it. Let's put this aside and let's see what else do we have in the box. Instruction manual, stickers. Where are stickers? Stickers are very important. Apple cannot do without stickers. There are the beautiful iconic Apple stickers. Finally, C-Type, a charging brick. Only irritating part is now my phone is C-Type to lightning cable, and this is a C-Type to C-Type. That's pretty much it in the box, nothing else. Now let's put all this aside. Looks so beautiful. This color, the space gray. My laptop, actually I wanted it in space gray first, but then I had a better offer on this color. This is a silver. You see the difference? This is space gray and this is silver. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of setup to be done. I'll do all that and I'll see you guys. Actually, time is also almost 12:35 AM in the night. I wanted to unbox this tomorrow, but then when you have something in your hand, that to an Apple product in an Apple fanboy hand, obviously I can't wait. I think I'll see you tomorrow, alright? Let me play around with this for some time. Let me enjoy it instead of vlogging all this. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, today's the next day in the morning. Morning, actually it's afternoon, 2:30. Yes, I'll be flaunting my new iPad Pro 12.9 inch Wi-Fi 256 GB. Just kidding. But I'm really enjoying it since the last night. Yet to explore it like properly. One first thing that I didn't really like about this would be, I think, the size itself. I mean, I should get used to it. Now it feels like too big in my hands, and I have like huge hands. I didn't even download any apps except for YouTube, and that is the prime reason I wanted this baby. And it's so smooth and seamless. Of course, I'm going to talk only positives about Apple because I love the brand so much. I love what they do. Definitely super expensive products and not worth the price they mention. But once you get used to this Apple ecosystem, like I just put my Apple ID in this and everything is there here. Like my history, and oh yes, by the way, I'm looking at leather cases for this. The first mistake you could do when you have an iPad is not getting protection for it. I got Apple Care for this. Apart from that, you still need to put a tempered glass. It's got tempered glass. Literally, it's like the size of my window, yeah. And one more thing you need to get is a case for it. I can order it online from Apple Store. We have Apple India online now, but I think going and getting it from an Apple Store is much better. We don't have an Apple Store in India. We have Apptronics, so from there I'm gonna get it. And also I have some work outside. So yeah, let's go protect this first. They're making appalu. What is appalu? I never heard what is appalu. I know murkulu. They are making murkulu. That's what I know. But this is the same pindi, no? There is the same dough you use for murkulu.
Yeah, rice flour and
Meerena ninja like kare
fighting la unda.
Acha, Diwali special. Okay.
Yeah, Diwali.
Now I understood Diwali special. Usually I help doing this, but now I'm going out, so.
Shiman will help eating.
Nah, I don't eat all this.
Pooja likes this.
Acha, Pooja
Appalu.
likes all this.
For
Yeah.
her, I'm making.
Yes, somehow North Indians like South Indian food more. Pooja likes dosa and all that more than North Indian paneer and all that.
Now,
And I like paneer and all that more.
You want Ashok style? Come. This is Ashok style, you know. This is Ashok style.
ఇంకేం చేస్తున్నారు ఇవి కాకుండా
చూపిస్తా భూమినా పెట్టునా
పెట్టు
చేసేసిన
చూపి.
అయిపోతే చూపి మామ్ డెడ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్టఫ్ ఇట్స్ దివాలి అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఐ కాంట్ ఈట్ ఎనీథింగ్ I'll taste a little bit. Rishan, please allow me to taste once. Maybe 10 calories max. Oh, this is a lot of stuff.
Kova
Murkulu.
kajjikai.
I'll tell whatever I know. I'll tell. These are murkulu. This is kova kajjikai.
Yeah.
Kajjikai. This is kova kajjikai. This is kajjikai. This is also murkulu, right?
Yes.
Then we have appalu, which is also murkulu. It's a different shade. That's it.
No.
Uh,
This is different and that is different.
oh. And sunnunda. దీన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్ ఏమనంటారా
ఏమో.
శనింజర్.
Made with
This is made with
urud sugar.
urud dal. Urud.
Urud dal.
మనకు అన్ని తెలుసు.
Urad dal.
Urud dal. A lot of stuff you made. How much time?
Just
1, 2, 3, 4,
3
5,
hours.
6 items in
2 hours, 3 hours.
3 hours.
All together.
That's why moms are called professionals. We can't do all that. I take like half an hour to prepare my oats. It is actually scary to put my iPad like that without a cover. It's like just putting a brittle glass there. I know it is strong, but still. Let's quickly go and get a cover for it, yeah. By the way, I forgot to show you the camera. I mean, of course, it's not like a super amazing camera, but you have to see the way it looks from this huge screen. You see how huge it is? Sorry, I don't mind. I'll be flaunting this for some time, okay? Please understand. Human tendency. When you buy a new thing, you want to flaunt a lot about it. Okay, flop. No cases available here. No stock. Actually, I don't understand. Apptronics, man, there is never any stock. They'll just have one iPhone and 2 AirPods. Let's try another Apptronics. You see, all these are Apptronics stores in Hyderabad. I can actually call these people and go, but I don't have that much of patience to do that. So what I'll do is, one more store is Aage, so I'll just go check that. If it is not there, then probably I'll order online. Easier. Till then, I have to be very careful with my iPad. Flop, I didn't get it in this Apple store as well. I think I'll order it online. Better. And I think I'll order it right away. Don't want any delay, because these things are very important. It is very important to protect a glass piece, a 12.9 inch glass piece. So yeah, directly we have Apple website, iPad accessories. There's no stock for 12.9 inch. Magic keyboard for iPad Air 4th generation is 27,900, 28,000 rupees. You get a bloody phone for that price, yeah? Seriously? 10,000 rupees? No thanks. I think I'll get a third party wala. It looks very nice, but come on, yaar. 9,900 rupees for a case, and there's a EMI facility. Too much. Chal. I'll buy a third party case. Go. Go.
2 minutes जल्दी आओ।
चलो go.
Close that door। हाँ मस्ती करने दो वो सब याद आ गया।
Okay, finally back home. Tomorrow onwards, we have something really exciting to do. Get ready for that. And in case you guys have liked this video for some reason, do hit the like button, do share, do comment, and make that red subscribe button grey. Hit it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Tomorrow the dark horse is gonna roll a little bit.